Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Shazia Muzaffar, Assistant Professor in Chemistry Department from Government Girls Degree College Nawabshah, District Shaheed Benazirabad. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about the bleaching powder. All of you aware from them, it is used in the hair colors as well as in the bleaching cream. It is the white amorphous powder and it is mostly used to lighten the color of anything. It has a wide variety of uses. This topic has been available in the chemistry book of Inter Science, chapter number 3, S block elements. Bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is a yellowish white powder with a pungent smell of chlorine. When dissolved in water, it is soluble, but it gives the white cloudy solution. The formula of bleaching powder was first suggested by the scientist named Professor Odling. The formula is calcium oxo dichloride. Chemically, it is named as cal calcium chlorohypochlorite. It is the mixed salt of calcium chloride and oxychloride. Bleaching powder is manufactured by the two methods, Beekman methods and the Hazen-Clever method. Bleaching powder preparation. On the industrial level, both the methods are useful, effective and efficient and almost the same, but invented by the two different scientists. Beckman invents the Beckman's method and Hazen-Clever discovered the Hazen-Clever method. Hazen-Clever plant. The main raw material for this plant are slate lime, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जिसे आप बुझा हुआ चूना भी कहते हैं, and the second one is chlorine gas. This plant consists of 4 iron cylinders. Each cylinder is 2 to 3 meters long with the rotating iron shaft having the blades. Dry slate lime or the calcium hydroxide is fed from the upper side through the hopper and chlorine gas is introduced from the lower side of the plant. In this way, both are reacted and mixed and converted into bleaching powder. This product of bleaching powder in the solid state is collected in the wooden barrel. Keep the wooden barrel in the dark and stored in a well-ventilated room. When one thing comes from the above side and the other thing comes from the downward side, it means the plant works with the counter current principle. Chemical equation. When solid calcium hydroxide reacts with the chlorine gas in the plant, it produces the calcium chlorohypochlorite or the bleaching powder. Reactions of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder may react with water, may react with an acid, and it can also react with the carbon dioxide gas. When bleaching powder reacts with water, it produces the chlorine gas as well as slate lime और the calcium hydroxide जिसे आप बुझा हुआ चूना भी कहते हैं. When bleaching powder react with hydrochloric acid, it also produces the chlorine gas, water as well as calcium chloride. It means bleaching